The reason the Ford F-150 rates a stellar overall score is simple: it's the best full-size pickup truck you can buy. Period. The sophisticated, refined way it does its many and varied jobs is largely why we named it one of our 10 best trucks and SUVs for 2017. Over the decades, it has evolved from a bare-bones work truck to a refined and very capable commuter. With an exclusive aluminum bed and body, advanced powertrain availability, and more appearance options than a runway model, the F-150 is the complete package. The F-150 lineup includes an all-new 10-speed transmission that is only available with the 365 HP twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine. This powertrain can be matched with both rear and all-wheel drive models. An available STX appearance package is also new, along with available 4G LTE Wi-Fi connectivity. Exterior paint colors lightning blue, avalanche, and white gold are now offered, as well. In order to access the benefits of the 10-speed automatic transmission, you need the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6. Configured with the crew cab and 6.5-foot box, it offers people-moving practicality and real-world hauling capacity. With the mid-level Lariat trim and all-wheel drive, the F-150 starts at $49,585, only $1,000 more than the 5.0-liter V8. Choosing the Lariat over the King Ranch with the same cab and bed style also cuts over $6,000 from the starting price. Our well-equipped 2017 F-150 Lariat Super Crew 4x4 totaled $49,585. Other standard features on the Lariat include 10-way power adjustable, heated, and cooled driver and front passenger seats. Leather-trimmed front seats. 8.0-inch touchscreen with Sync 3 infotainment, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Power adjustable pedals with memory. The F-150's strongest engine isn't a V8, but rather a powerful, turbocharged mid-size V6. While the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 we tested makes impressive power and delivers sparkling acceleration, it failed to deliver above-average highway fuel economy that smaller turbocharged engines promise. The F-150 presents the buyer with 4 engine choices. The base 3.5-liter V6 produces 282 horsepower and 253 pound-feet of torque. The twin-turbo 2.7-liter V6 makes 325 horsepower and 375 pound-feet of torque, and the 5.0-liter V8 puts out 385 horsepower and 387 pound-feet of torque. All of these pair with a 6-speed automatic. At the top of the range, a twin-turbo 3.5